Here's a 1970 Sony solid-state radio. Unfortunately, it runs on C-cell batteries, and I don't have any. The last video I recorded is of this. I got this on 8/8/2024 at an estate sale. It'll be 2 years tomorrow since I got it. So I got this with a Micronta alarm clock. It was free, and so was this, and we went over to the house to pick up a CRT TV. And she said it seemed to be a estate sale. Well, the estate sale ended and there's a bunch of stuff left over. And there was a bunch of stuff I was interested in, including this. VHF, weather, FM, and AM. That's the power button right there. This comes out and that's the antenna, so let me take it out right now. That's how you release the antenna. Here's where the batteries go. It's a bit crusty, but there's no batteries inside. So let me extend the antenna. Here's the telescopic antenna. Looks pretty good. Good quality. Not sure what that's all about. That's the other thing I got at the estate sale, where the fan was. Jeez, learn how to speak. I forget what I went there for. Crystal Control. 162.55 megahertz. Here's someone's bookmarks. The tone control feels kind of stiff. The control has some resistance to it, but it feels really high quality, so I'm not going to use contact cleaner on it because I'd make it really loose. First time I did that, I thought I broke something, but the potentiometer still worked fine. Kind of. I think that was on a Sony also. That too was on a Sony. That's what I was going to say, and I tripped over my words because I'm an idiot. Oh. Here's the back. There is no 91.1 in this area, so maybe this is belonged to someone out of state. Radio Museum says 1970 with a question mark. Oh, this thing weighs 5 pounds, 3 to 5 pounds. It's pretty heavy for what it is. Sony Corporation, Tokyo, Japan. It's the TFM-8100.